guys, welcome to Hygge Bag. I am going to show you today how to make these awesome woven heart baskets. So I grew up in a Danish household where these were on the Christmas tree every year. They're made out of cardstock paper. They're pretty sturdy. We often fill them with candy, using those ornaments on the tree. They're super easy to make, so I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do to make them yourself. So if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and let's get started. So these are the supplies I'm going to need to do my little basket weave hearts, and I have two pieces of cardstock paper, one in red, one in white, and I also have a ruler, an eraser, some double-sided Scotch tape, and a pencil, and a pair of scissors. So the first thing I'm going to do is measure the white paper and the red paper, and I'm going to make strips, and each strip is going to be 2.5 by 9 inches. Fold each strip in half, then measure up 3 inches from the crease and cut little strips that go up to that measurement mark. Then round off the non-creased edges. Okay, here's the fun part. So weave the two colors together with the first red strip sliding over the first white strip, and then through the next white strip, then over, then through. And for the next row, you're going to reverse this so that squares start to appear. Do this until a heart is formed. So the heart is done, but it's a basket, right? So you need to have a handle. So cut a little strip that's about 1/2 inch by 5 inches and tape into the inside of the heart to create a basket with a handle. And voila, you have a woven heart basket. So I hope you enjoyed making my woven heart basket, and if you did, be sure to like my video and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye!